Move in silence. Not because you fear attention, but because clarity is born in quiet. Marcus Aurelius taught that noise weakens judgment. When you speak less, you observe more. When you pause, your mind sharpens. Think clearly. Strip away emotion, ego, and impulse. Ask only one question: what is within my control? Everything else is distraction. The Stoic does not announce progress. They let discipline do the talking. They endure quietly, improve privately, and act deliberately. Success needs no audience. Victory does not shout, it arrives. Calm. Controlled. Inevitable. Move in silence. Think clearly. Succeed without noise.